Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID issues on iPhone are not working. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS, so first of all, update your iPhone to the next version. After this, go back, and the next solution is restart your iPhone. For this, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then the next solution is ensure nothing is covering the true depth camera. Ensure nothing is covering your face. So after this, ensure you are facing the true depth camera, and then the next solution is add an alternate appearance. For this, open settings, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. So tap on set up an alternate appearance. So after this, go back, and then the next solution is reset Face ID. So for this, open settings, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on reset Face ID, and then set up Face ID again. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.